Welcome to this channel. Welcome to another session of our tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can auto blend your layers. In this quick tutorials I'm going to show you how to use the auto blend layers tool in Photoshop, a super underrated feature that can save you tons of time when creating composites, exposure blends, or even focus stacks. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to step up your workflow, this trick will change the game. Let's jump into Photoshop and I will walk you through it step by step. Okay, the first thing you are going to do is to rasterize your layer. Then you select these two layers. You select the two layers. Then you go to your edit. When you go to your edit, then you select your auto blend layers. Now please, if this is your first time coming across this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Also comment, because the more you engage on our videos, the more YouTube push it out to the audience. Please like, comment and share this video. Alright, let's continue. So the next thing you are going to do, last thing you are going to do, is to select these stack images. Select these stack images and click on OK. Then you allow it to load. Alright, that's it. We have both of our layers blended. Alright, so please, if you're looking how to learn how to color grade your street photography, how to color grade your outdoor photography, I have videos that shows and give you step by step how you can color grade your video. Once again, this is Alechi Videos. If this is your first time coming to this channel, please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. See you in our next video.